Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Crowdcube Review My Usage Experience. Crowdcube Review My Usage Experience offers a platform for reviewing investment opportunities on Crowdcube, a crowdfunding platform. It aims to help potential investors analyze companies seeking funding, providing tools and information to assess risk and potential returns. Key features likely include company profile summaries, financial data analysis, and possibly community-driven reviews. Their website provides details on specific functionalities. Crowdcube Review's positioning is as a supplementary resource for due diligence. It doesn't offer financial advice, but aims to make the investment research process more efficient. The website mentions ease of use as a key benefit, implying a user-friendly interface. Pricing isn't explicitly stated on their site, but it seems to be a free service integrated with Crowdcube's existing platform. Availability is limited to Crowdcube's active investment opportunities. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Crowdcube Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was straightforward. I simply logged into my existing Crowdcube account and accessed the review tools. Navigating the interface was intuitive. I found the company summaries clear and concise, providing a good overview of each business, its financials, and the investment terms. I particularly appreciated the ability to quickly compare key metrics across multiple companies. I found the search functionality extremely helpful in narrowing down the investment options based on industry, investment amount, and other relevant criteria. The platform's performance was excellent. I never experienced any lag or glitches. I had a quick question regarding the interpretation of a particular financial metric, and their support team responded within 24 hours via email, which was fantastic. One minor drawback was the lack of detailed historical financial data. It only seemed to include the most recently submitted information. The standout feature for me was definitely the ability to easily compare several companies side by side. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Crowdcube Review. It streamlined my research considerably and made me feel more confident in evaluating investment opportunities. That's my overview of Crowdcube Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.